Hello, for my infographic I use proximity to group the charts together, seen here, as well as visual hierarchy by beginning more broad with total waste and then more of an individualized level to the American or in households. This was achieved by having varying alignments, such as horizontal between these charts here, as well as horizontal between these elements, and then vertical between the two separations within the infographic, as well as the varying font size, as you can see with titles and then subtitles within. Dominant focal points are the charts by having brighter colors, as well as subdominant vocal points being the isotype and the visualized numbers, as well as just the brighter colors. Color contrast I used was black background with contrast of brighter colors, as you can see here, with the charts being brighter colors, as well as my color choice being, for the most part, a bright green, which I focused on this color because I feel like it represented agriculture as well as environmental concerns and recycling, and that is what I hope people compare this to, considering that it has to do with food waste. The hope for this infographic is to be informative while making people think about their choices on a larger scale. So yeah, this is my infographic.